Hey guys, welcome to Miami Dental Sedation Spa channel. I'm Dr. Carlos Vega. I have over 10 years of experience crafting smiles for patients like you. Today I want to share with you a wonderful story. This is Evelina's story. This is a full-blown smile design case that we worked with in the past few weeks. And we really want to illustrate with you how the full process works. And if you have any questions, maybe this is your opportunity to find the answers that you're looking for. Let's deep dive into Evelina's story. She came all the way from St. Kitts. That's an island in the middle of the Caribbean. We started by breaking through a fear barrier. Using our sedation techniques, our confidence technique, we were able to get directly to her heart. When we get there and we can start on the conversation, having confidence and trust in the process is the basics of where we were able to get all the records, including 3D face scans, 3D scans of the mouth, 3D scans of the skull, every single piece of technology that will allow us to actually get to a point where we can plan something. That planning, and it's a full smile analysis. It includes face proportions, includes teeth proportions, includes hopes, expectations, what's the reality of what we can have. And from there, we are able to actually show to our patients, even before we haven't even, touch her or their teeth or whatever, we can have a beautiful idea of what's gonna be the end of the process. So that way you're having a visual illustration of the final. That visual illustration, it's gonna turn into this wonderful prototype. This is a prototype that we use when we start the process, in the middle of the process, and we're gonna use it to match it for the final at the end of the process. So that's our way to create our ideas into reality. The way we work, handcrafting ourselves with our hands, the porcelains, the characterizations, the stainings, the colors, everything in just one single piece, it's just amazing. It's our way to customize our treatments. It's our way to give our patients exactly what they deserve, what they are dreaming for. Something that it's really cool, actually, if you think about it, is getting to a point where you can actually see your new smile and get an opinion of it and be able to modify it and go over the shape, the size, the proportions. It's something really nice. It's something that will get you to a point where there is just 100% certainty that what you're gonna get is what you dreamed. Once we already done the smile analysis, there's something really cool that comes after that. That's a try-in of your smile. So when we planned everything, we prepped everything, you're gonna be able to actually get a try-in of your smile. A try-in of your smile is basically having the same teeth portion, even the color that you're gonna get or you're expecting to get at the end. So let's say you're not happy with an angle of one of your teeth. Let's say you want to have longer teeth, you want to get this or that characteristic or this or that feature, then you're gonna be able to modify everything through that process. Once you're fully happy with it, and that happens in just over a week, then we go on the final. Then we transform that idea into a reality, and everything's handcrafted in-house. We get the porcelains in our hands. We put the porcelains in the tip of our fingers, and we characterize them until we are 100% happy with it. Even when we've reached perfection, we go over again and we try to find ways to make it better. Once we get to the end of the process, we are able to actually get back confidence, self-esteem, and start creating a new life story. That's what we do at Miami Dental Sedation Spa. That's our way to do things. And we hope to see you soon here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you really learned something from it. I know there's a lot of questions out there regarding cosmetic treatments, smile designs. There's a lot of fears regarding this type of treatments. I just want to let you know that we are here for you. We're here to break through all your fears. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you.